how can you start an online business with zero money, okay, with no investment? All right, on today's video I will cover up this question. I'm going to show you 3 platforms where you can literally make money $100 per day just for watching videos. All right, and this with this method you want to save money and use this money to invest on your online business to make your earning potential accumulate. All right, so this is the reason of this video, because you can literally start making start on this platform with zero money. You don't need any money to start on this platform. All you need is a little bit time to watch this video and earn the money. All right, guys, before we go further on today's video, what I'm going to show you in this video is because I want you to hopefully to save money aside to invest in your own business, okay, to make your income accelerate. All right, this is why I'm going to show you this video on how you can make $100 per day just watching videos. All right, and there are other things you can do with this platform I will show you in the next minute. Before we move more further, this is my recommendation for you is that when you do this kind of taxes, I mean when you watch video like this on this platform, I want you to save money and use it to invest in your online business. There are many online business that you can do, yeah, that make their income potential are very high. For example, like drop shipping, all right, like affiliate marketing, or you can also do, start ad agency for Facebook ad agencies. Do you understand? And you can also start an online course. Yeah, this is my recommendation for you guys to make your online business accelerate. Okay, to make your online business income accelerate. So this is the reason of this video, and this is my recommendation for you guys, because I do get so much email from guys who ask me how they can start an online business with literally zero, okay, with no money. All right, so this is the reason I want to show this. I'm making this video to make them understand that there's another way you can also make money from online, okay, and also invest this money on other online business your own online business to grow further. Do you understand? You can also use this money to run advertisement for your online business that is already running, that you already got. Okay, so this is the reason of this video. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. Before we get started, make sure you leave a comment below, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Make sure you give a like on this video, so next time when I make video like this, you'll be the first person to get notified. All right, and this will make you one step ahead of your competitors. All right, when you hit the notification bell button, so I can notify you every time when I make video every week. All right, so with that being said, let's get into today's video. The first thing you need on today's video, to earn money in this method I'm going to show you, the first thing you need is PayPal. So you want to go to Google, you want to write PayPal. All right, for you guys that have already that you got PayPal account already, you can go for you can go ahead and start on these platforms I will show you in the next minute. So you want to go to PayPal, you go to sign up for free. It is totally free, and you want to choose, for example, personal account. Okay, you want to choose a personal account, and this is it, guys. You want to go to you have to leave you write your first name, your last name, and your email for confirmation, and create a password. All right, that is it, guys. That's all you need to get started on this platform I'll be showing you in the next minute. So let's go on on the today's video, the first platform, okay, that I'm going to show you is userlytics.com. All right, okay. What these companies are for, they are companies that they give people the opportunity to test platforms, okay, apps and etc. They give companies this opportunity for users that users can test their product and services. Do you understand? So if you come to this platform, you want to go sign up as a tester, okay, guys, and I will show you. You go up to the tester and click there, okay. It shows, see, you get paid via PayPal, okay. This is why I show you at the beginning that you need a PayPal account. It's a must. You need a PayPal account to earn money with these platforms. And see here, guys, you can earn $5, $10, $15, $20, and even $90. Let me highlight this for you guys, okay. Even $90, okay, for having fun, experiencing opinion while navigating the web. All right, so you get paid to test website and apps, and you can also watch video. Let me show you the next platform. The next platform is called Userfield. All right, guys, you want to come here, or you want to click on become a seller. All right, you click on become a seller, and you see you become a tester and earn $10 per test. Do you understand, guys? Each test lasts for maybe 10 to 20 minutes. Yeah, for last 10 to 20 minutes, guys. You can calculate that. Assuming, let's just make the simple math here. Let's say $10 in 10 minutes, or 20 minutes. Let's just say $10 in 20 minutes. Do you know how much is that, guys? In an hour, we have that will be $30 per hour. All right? Am I right? Yeah, that is $30 per hour. All right? So $30 per hour is not a small money, okay? And when you do that for maybe, let's say, when you do that for 3 hours a day, you already get up to $90. All right? When you do that for 3 hours, because you have $30 per hour, and when you do that 30 times 3, it's already $90. Okay? And this is only one platform that you can, from only one platform you can earn this money. Assuming you're doing all these 3 platforms. I don't know what kind of job you're doing. I don't know how stuck you are in your 9-to-5 job week or day. What I want you to know is that all what you need to do this is that you need just an extra time, and everybody have an extra time. This is what makes everybody to be equal. Everybody have an extra time. So you're working a full time, a 9-to-5 full job, okay? You want to have this little bit time to make this little taxes on the internet, okay? On these platforms, yeah. And this is where you go and spare maybe, let's say 3 hours. Let's say you spare 3 hours or 3 to 4 hours a day in a week. That is almost $400, $500, and in a month that is going to roughly $2,000. All right. So with this money, you can invest in your online business to make it accelerate. Okay, if it's that you have a online business before that you can that you want to make advertisement on, you can run ad. You can easily run ad on Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Do you understand? To make your business grow more wider. Okay. All right. So this brings me to the last platform. The last platform is called user testing. Okay, this is all what this platform are for, guys. They are all testing platform. These websites are based on testing. You go to this platform, you test other website and other apps, all right, and earn money for it. So this is how it is, guys. So you want to go to let's go to this place. If you want to sign up, you go to get paid to test, all right. So you see, you earn up to $60 per test. Visit a website or an app, okay? Complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, okay? This is what I mean, guys. You test an app, for example. Let's use an app, for example. You test this app and you give your thoughts on this app, okay? You give your opinion on this app to be done better and what you enjoy in this app, all right? You just go ahead and give your thoughts. You just need to be real. Finish. That's all. You don't need too much. It's no brainer. Okay. You don't need too much to do on this. You just need to give your thought, test the app, and you give your thought, and you earn money for that. All right. You earn money for that and real money. Okay. So this is it. Let's just go more further. As you can see. Okay. You can get $10 via PayPal. Okay, for every 20-minute video you complete. So you can also watch video on this platform also. So let's just make a little bit calculation here. When you make like I say, $10 via video that you watch for 20 minutes. See the same thing. We've made this calculation before. I will do it again. So this is 10 minutes for $10 for 20 minutes. It means in an hour you get $30. All right, this $30, let's assume you live 4 hours per day to do this, you have more than $100. Okay, you have exactly exactly $120, and $120 per 5 times a week. Do you understand? 5 times a week. I mean 5 days a week. That is almost 600. Okay, so guys, this is a very huge money for somebody who is just working for just a few hours a day aside, okay, as a side also. This is a huge money for you to start promoting your website, your platform, for example, promoting your online business or starting a online business to make your earnings higher. Okay, potentially. All right, so this is the last step I'm going to show you. I've shown you now 3 platforms where you can do this. Okay, this is the third one. This one is usertest.com. You want to go to usertest.com and sign up as a tester, all right, to start using this platform. And the second one is userfield.com. Okay, you want to sign up also as a tester. You become a tester. You are eligible then to do all these taxes for money. Okay, and the last one is userlytics.com. Yeah, so my recommendation for you guys is that when you go to this platform, sign up. When you earn money on this platform, you want to leave it aside. You earn money on this platform with PayPal, okay? Normally, it needs 3 to 4 days before you can get the money on your PayPal, and then you can withdraw this money and use it to do whatever you want to do. If you like, you can spend it, or if you like, you can keep the money. If you like, my recommendation for you guys is that you invest this money on online business. Like, for example, you can start a drop shipping, you can start an affiliate marketing business, you can start running ads for your existing website, okay, for your existing online business if you've already started one, and you can invest this money also in doing online courses, okay, doing online courses. All right, guys, that is it for today. Once again, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. Make sure you leave a comment on this video below, all right, and hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time when I make video like this every week. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.